almost like visiting an old friend. Always had this kind of dichotomy in his personality. On one side, he is very friendly, funny, heroic, courageous, and in the other hand, he's mischievous, manipulative, dangerous at some point, womanizer, kind of a bunch of different things, But in this movie, he comes to terms with himself in a completely different way, more deeper, more complex, more existentialist in a way. It's been a pleasure actually to take him to that place.
Oh my God, I love it. We're very good friends. I see him in between. Sometimes we improvise as Puss and Boots and Kitty Soft Paws because we just love the characters. And we waited 10, 11 years for this moment to come along, and here we are, and it's fantastic. So great to grow with friends, no? That we're still healthy and excited to be working.
Antonio Banderas and Salma Hayek returning, the chemistry between them is just amazing. They know each other so well, and so you get so much automatic, just history that shows up on the screen.
Like when we were recording Salma, she'd be like looking at the script and looking at Antonio's stuff. He's like, oh, I don't think Antonio's gonna like that.
What do you wish to do with your last life?
When you only have one life, that's what makes it special.
At the end of this adventure that we present to the audiences on the 21st, the end of the adventure is the love for life itself. And a reflection that is very beautiful is the need that we have of each other, which is something that actually was concocted during the time of the pandemic all around the world. So I think I'm very proud actually of the work.